Last week, a student that attended a Georgia high school leaked a photo of the school's crowded hallways online. The student was actually suspended by the school for doing this, but now apparently that same school has reported 9 new cases of COVID. Isn't that funny how that worked out? I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know here for you on IO. What's gravy? This is InformOverload. I'm Charlotte. On this channel we tell you about everything viral on the internet. Subscribe for the spiciest news updates on YouTube and follow the IO team on social media. Before I get into this one, tell me down below in the comments if you have started school or if you are going to be going back to school in the fall. With many places starting school this fall in many areas of the world, one has to wonder what schools under COVID would look like. Many places are giving the option of online learning, but others argue that a learning environment really isn't the same when you're learning through a Zoom class, which is why schools across the world have opened their doors for fall classes. You would think there would be strict precautionary measures put in place by schools and school boards, but according to one leaked photo from a Georgia high school, this is not the case across the board. The now viral photograph shows a packed hallway with many of the teenagers not wearing masks. 9 students and staff members at North Paulding High School in West Atlanta, Georgia have tested positive for COVID-19, and over 1,000 students and teachers are now quarantining as the school is disinfected and moves to online classes. Many students and staff are afraid to speak out because there are consequences if they do. Student Hannah Waters ended up being suspended for taking a photo and video of the school and sharing them with news organizations. Thankfully for Hannah, the suspension was dropped on Friday of last week. Imagine getting suspended for being concerned about safety in your high school. But even though Hannah's suspension was lifted, Hannah has been getting threats from other students at her school for leaking the photograph, which could jeopardize their senior year, prom, and graduation included. Hannah says that she didn't want that, she just wants the school she goes to be safer so it can stay open. According to Paulding County Superintendent Brian Otot, the photos of the crowded hallways were accurate, but the district is following state guidelines, adding that students need longer than a few minutes in the hall to catch the virus from others. Not when it's packed like that. That is contagious. Like, what are you talking about? He says that masks are a personal choice and there is no practical way to enforce a mandate to wear them. Yeah, there is. In Canada, it is the law to wear masks inside. Call it taking away our freedom all you want, but Toronto has moved into phase 3 and still only has over 300 active cases of COVID in a city of 2.7 million people. That is because it is the law to wear masks inside where social distancing is not possible. A school nurse in Georgia in the same school district as the school with the viral photos quit over a lack of COVID-19 precautions. A family member of 2 of the students who tested positive for COVID criticized the school for starting in-person learning too early and without proper precautions. At a recent school board meeting in the district, parents and teachers in Georgia struggled to agree and find common ground to deal with the problem of learning in a global pandemic. Many parents need a break. They need kids to go back to school so that they can go back to work. I can't even imagine what it is like to be a parent right now with children small enough or young enough to go to school. Most parents at this particular meeting vouched for in-school learning over virtual learning. But schools have to take precautions. They have to social distance. They gotta keep desks far apart. No hallway crowding, wearing masks, cleaning classrooms in between classes. They're all precautions that need to be taken to ensure everyone's safety. And if you're not doing it, it's like, yeah, of course people are gonna get COVID. Tell me how you feel about school starting again down below in the comments, as well as how your school is taking precautions. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Sarah said, I love Charlotte. She makes me cringe a bit, but I realize I am as weird as her and she embraces her weirdness. I wish I had that confidence. Love you, potato girl. I've just accepted it at this point. You're either gonna cringe or you're not gonna cringe, and frankly, y'all are sensitive if you think that I'm cringy. Like, I mean, I have seen some really cringy stuff on the internet, and like, honestly, I don't really think that I'm up there, but that's fine. Brigade said, all these non-essentials are bored at home trying to cancel everyone. Make your own damn video and put whoever you want on it. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you guys next time.